Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make pancakes quick. Start by gathering your ingredients and equipment. You'll need 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and a half teaspoon of salt. For the wet ingredients, have 1 cup of milk, 1 large egg, and 2 tablespoons of melted butter ready. Preheating your griddle to medium-low is key for perfectly golden pancakes. First, in a large bowl, whisk together your dry ingredients, the flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt. In a separate, smaller bowl, whisk the milk, egg, and melted butter until well blended. Now, pour the wet mixture into the dry ingredients. Stir gently until just combined. A few lumps are perfectly fine and actually desirable for fluffy pancakes. Overmixing can lead to tough pancakes. With your griddle at medium-low heat, lightly grease it with a pat of butter or a quick spray. Pour about 1/4 cup of batter for each pancake, leaving some space between them. Cook for approximately 2 to 3 minutes on the first side, until you see bubbles forming on the surface and the edges look set. Then, flip them carefully and cook for another 1 to 2 minutes until golden brown. As each batch finishes cooking, transfer your fluffy pancakes to a plate. For the best experience, serve them warm right off the griddle. Drizzle with maple syrup, add a dollop of whipped cream, or sprinkle with fresh berries. These quick and easy pancakes are perfect for a delightful breakfast or brunch, ready to enjoy in under 15 minutes from start to finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.